I'm George. One of the common problems we see in clinic as people get older is poor posture. What can happen is, as people start to get older, they begin to have a more and more hunched posture. This can be caused by weakness in the upper back muscles. So I just wanted to demonstrate a quick exercise to help strengthen those back muscles up, and this could help prevent or aid in the recovery from shoulder problems or shoulder pain. So this exercise is called the Scapular Squeeze. So what we want to do is, we want to just try and squeeze the shoulder blades back and down so that we're not shrugging up. And this will help to promote the strength in the mid-back to put the shoulders in a better position and give you better posture. If you've already tried these exercises and finding they're not helping, then you can always come down to the clinic and we can give you some bespoke advice that's fit for you.